Hi everybody, back with a haul once again. And I don't know if you can hear the dogs next door, but they're pretty excited about this haul because as soon as I started making this video, they started barking. Okay, so today we have a haul. This is going to be more of a crafty haul, and I got one thing from Etsy, a few things from Amazon, and then the bulk of it is from Walmart. So let's get started. We'll start off with Etsy since I only have one thing from there. So I wanted to try German glass glitter. So I found this shop on Etsy called Sugar Camp Cottage, and I got 3 1-ounce containers or packages of German glass glitter, and it's literally made of glass, which I thought was really cool. So I'm gonna try that out. I love glitter. You're gonna see some hauls from me where there is lots of glitter. She also sent a sample of silver. So I thought that was neat. Look how pretty that is. I guess it's just shards of glass. I don't really know a lot about German glass glitter. I just seen somebody talking about it, and I wanted to try it. It's really beautiful in person. And then also from, now these next things are from Amazon. So I got Mod Podge. I got the hard coat. So like when you're dealing with things that are kind of softer, you can put this on there and make it hard. I have a Christmas in July project coming up soon, and I got this snow marker. Never tried it before, but I thought it sounded like fun, and we'll see how that works out. I also got this pack of bottle caps. And it comes with the stickers, so you just like print out like 1-inch images on your computer, stick them in there, and put the sticker, or put them on the back of the sticker, and then put them on in there, and you can make like charms out of them and necklaces and all sorts of things. I got these cute spoons. They're heart-shaped. And I got this cute die for a unicorn project I'm currently working on. Let me open this up. I love how it has those eyelashes. So there's that. And I got some glossy accents. Now, you know with Amazon, a lot of times like you go to order and it either comes in a 2-pack or a 3-pack or whatever. Well, this was a 3-pack, so I now have 2 to share with, you know, with my friends that like to do crafts. So I'm gonna give some of those away, 2 of those away. And next, excuse me, let's do Walmart next. So I got this. It is a scrap pack, assorted papers and cardstock. I thought that was interesting. So let's see, let's open it up and we'll just take like a quick look at it. Whoa, I just dropped a bunch of it. So there's a lot of red in here, I noticed. So that's weird. It's almost like, it's weird. It's almost like a tissue paper mixed with fabric, or I don't know how to describe it. And there's green. That's pretty. There's black. Almost looks like crepe paper, but thicker. And got some black glitter paper. see if I can get this to focus. Looks like it's got some embossed paper. Look at that, that's pretty. And then there's just some like teal and orange, a bunch of orange. That'll be good for Halloween. Green. And then just, oh, this is pretty, this red and blue. Very pretty for 4th of July. More of that. And then some red with some splatters. So that was that. And let's see what else we got. Oh, I got a good amount of glitter in here. Okay, so we also got some plastic organizer boxes. I got 4 of them. So I'll probably give some of these away in swaps, and I'll probably keep some for myself to organize with. But I just love this mint green color. Thought those were really cute. And then I also got these round stackable 3-piece containers, and they twist at the top so that they connect. And I got 2 of those. And then I got some glitters. So I got, what color is this? Unicorn Disco. And Caribbean, however you say it. Pink Party. What is this? Sun Shower. And Winter Fest. And then I got some hemp. I've heard something in there. I was like, what is that? But it's one of those silica bags. And let's see what's in the other. I have 2 more bags. I got some straws. Cupcake liners. I got these for rosettes. I got these for mixing glitter. So these are just like, you know, these are called bath cups. I got them for like mixing glitter and, you know, when you need to pour like Mod Podge into something. I got these pretty bling stickers. I got more cupcake liners. I got these black and white ones. Got 2 of those actually because I have a black and white project that I have coming up. I got those. I got these big chunky letter beads. I want to find the black and white ones. I cannot find they're black with like white letters. I cannot find them anywhere. And let's see. There's more glitter. So let's see, we've got green and got an iridescent. And this purple this one's called Amethyst. And another green, this one's a little bit different. This one's called Emerald, and it's got like dark green and light green in it. And then I got a bunch of ribbon. paint. I got some more bling. And I got this extreme glitter hologram paint by Folk Art. Camera doesn't want to pick up on it because of all the glitter. And I got this. This one's also an extreme glitter, but it's gold. And I got a gold glitterific paint. And I got some thread and needles. And some ribbons. I got this gold, remove this, gold metallic. Oh, and this pretty iridescent ribbon. This is just that skinny white ribbon. I think it's like 1/8 size, I think. And I got this black, let's see if I can show it. I got some black lace trim. Pull it out a little bit so you can see it. And what is this? Oh, this is just some pretty pink kind of like glitter ribbon. And what is this? Oh, I got some glitter duct tape. If you can't tell that I love glitter, I don't know what you're doing with your life. And I got some more mini cupcake thingy-majiggies, and I also got a bunch of embroidery floss because I'm making some tassels. So I got it in like springy colors, yellow, peach, and mint. Then I have one more bag and then we will be done. I got moss, forest moss. Oh my gosh, this is like a huge pile. I got some mini composition notebooks because I want to alter these. Comes in a 3-pack, I want to say. Yep, it's a 3-pack. Wooden craft sticks. I use these to mix a lot. Gold glitter. Another pack of composition mini books. Just some black ribbon. Some silver glitter ribbon. And some black glitter. And it has moss all over it. So that was my Walmart, Etsy, and Amazon crafty haul. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you will hit the like button, subscribe, and I hope you'll have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.